Hello. Hello. Look here. Good morning, Fizz. You want to call Auntie Shania? Yeah. Alright, when Auntie Shania wake up, we call her, okay? Tell Fizz good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, Fizz.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I went to bed early last night. I was having a terrible headache, but thank God this morning I woke up and I feel a lot better. It's all gone, so that's good. The tablet worked. Look at your nose. What you doing? I love you. Why are you showing them my shoes? Huh? He's so funny. You guys, it's bright and early Sunday morning and I am up because I have some stuff on my agenda I need to get done today, so I'm up and about to get that done. I was thinking that, geez, I haven't gone to church in a while. I need to go to church one of these Sundays, but I've been so busy and not feeling so well these past few weekends, so I've been just staying in. But right now I am up and I'm on a mission. I am first going to make some breakfast, which is going to be some green plantains and some eggs, and then I'm going to jump right into dinner and then get all the things I have on my Sunday agenda done for today. What you doing? What you doing?
Unicorn. If you are a unicorn.
Oh, I'm a unicorn?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're riding me?
Yeah.
He's so funny. Look at him up there. Can you get down? Mama is going to make breakfast. Tell her. Get down. Mama gonna make breakfast. Get down. Ty, the pot is on the stove. Get down. Pineapple?
Yeah.
Come for it. Hi, babe. Good morning.
Morning. Hi, guys.
Anyway, you guys, I'm in the kitchen like I told you guys that I would. Yes, yes, babe.
Can we tell Alexa?
Your pineapple fell?
Yeah.
Oh no, go and get a different one. Go on. I am actually making some slow cooked beef. I picked up beef at the supermarket yesterday because my mind has been on it for a while.
Mama?
Yes, Tyler? No, leave Alexa. Alexa playing gospel right now, okay?
Mama?
Yes, out of the kitchen. I soon come to you.
Alexa? Yay.
Go play Blippi on your play Blippi on your tablet. Alexa playing gospel for mama. Anyway, you guys, so I see go. I seasoned up I season up the beef real nicely with sweet peppers, and I'm just gonna brown it a little bit, and then I'm gonna transfer it to my slow cooker. Just to get some color. Smells so good. Okay, so I transfer it over here, and I'm gonna close that and slow cook that in this bad boy for a few hours. I have it on high now, but then I'm gonna turn it down in a few. My little helper. Alexa,
Mama,
pause.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
why is this knife is
You always ask me that. Don't do that. You're gonna cut it. Pack it. Put it where it's supposed to go.
Hey, what's that? This was like this.
It's time to pick number 2. Today's the 2nd. So you look for number 2. He's searching for number 2 on his Christmas calendar. You don't see it?
Number 2.
Open it. Open the window. Strong. Good job. Continue. Okay, continue now. Yay! Let's see what this one is. Take it. Look at it. Turn it around. Ah, it's an elf. Let me show the face. This one is an elf.
It's something cute.
Yes.
Is it?
Alright, so that's day 2. So tomorrow is gonna be the number
3.
Yes. Good job. Okay, you guys, here's where I'm at right now. I made some green bananas that I've been dying for lately. So that's green banana there. I made some white rice. And over here is my beef still slow cooking. It smells so good. Then I think about what I'm gonna make for lunch. Yes, baby, get out of the kitchen. I soon come. Ah? I must go and sit. I soon come. I am making ackee and saltfish for lunch. My mind just run on it, so whether it's gonna be for lunch, dinner, whatever the case may be, but there will be food for lunch. So I'm gonna make this ackee and saltfish. So I've been on a roll, and during all that, I clean the entire house. So the house is fresh, food is almost done. The last thing I'm going to do is I get fresh and then relax after I finish doing all this cooking. So cooking is going down. Ty, you okay? Eating looks like. This is lunch. I go for the ackee and saltfish and 2 bananas. Tyler is having rice and ackee and saltfish for lunch.
Where is the fish?
It's in the ackee. It's here. What you eating? You love it?
Like fish and rice.
All right, eat up, okay? And my fine husband is sleeping. He's not feeling so 100. I think his head is bothering him. So who's eating, who's sleeping, eat, sleep. That's what my grandmother would say. Who's sleeping, eat, sleep. So we are gonna grab and then rest up, and I'm sure he's gonna be up when we are sleeping. So anyway, let's go grab on this yumminess. What is that? There's lights, right? Hi guys, we are in town. We are in town. We come to the Christmas market. Ow. Yeah, we come to the Christmas market, and Tyler is seeing all the lights in the street, and he's pretty excited about it. So he says, Mama, can you show first the lights? Huh? Yes, I see. This is the shopping street. Please don't. This is the shopping street. It's all the lights here and that way. What's that? Yeah, more light. He's so excited. He's gonna be so excited when he sees the Christmas market. That store. A store. Oh, it goes back to blue. I missed the red. It had changed to red just now and I missed it. I missed the red tire. When it turned red again, you tell me, okay? He's excited to see all the lights. This is in the middle of town. Look at him.
And she laughed because it was like so
Yeah. Look over there. Look at that one. You see? Yeah. Look at the man up there sitting. You see the man sitting up there? Yeah. Uh-huh. I see it. All right, let's go to the Christmas market now. There goes the wheel. Spinning. We went in it last year. Don't know if we're gonna do it this year again. Yeah.
And look! A freaking car!
Yeah. Yes? Oh, line looks long. Oh.